Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display. Now we have to tap on Advanced and find the screen timeout option. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So relatively short options are at the top, 15 and 30 seconds, and some longer ones, 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to set particular option, we have to simply tap on it. So let me pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.